Right, back, third and final video on the little Abarth. Doing it outside, just try and get some better footage. We're going to put the roof liner back in, A-pillars back in, and then we'll move on to the scuttle panel, the mirrors, bumper off, build the bumper up, fully put that on before we head on to clean it. So what we'll do now is start putting the roof liner back in. Right, first off, let's get the roof liner into place and then put in the few push clips first. That's all the roof liner and all the pillar trims back on. Some boys is back in, grab handle back in. We'll get back inside, get on the ramp, we'll get the bumper off and carry on with the rest of it. Right, just going to pull the bumper off, fix this front top badge on, pop the new grill in, plug everything in, put the bumper back on. So we'll just pop it onto a panel stand to do that. 2 screws holding it in, so I only put two screws back in to send it to the body shop. So as long as I put no extras back in, it should be alright. Well, go put the bumper back on here. I've set a bond this strip on because there's like a locating tab there and one on the end saying there and there, and then a screw in the middle. I've got the screw in the middle, the 2 locating tabs just broke either side. So I've just put a bit of Tiger seal on and clamped it for now. But I could put that middle grill in till the clamps are off, so I'm just going to leave that set for now. I'm going to put the scuttle panel, wiper blades on, rubber strip on and move on to the mirror. Well, let's put this brand new second-hand scuttle panel on. panels on, wiper arms on, rubber strips on, fresh nuts on the wiper, all new clips in. So that's all back together. Just going to move on to the mirror now. Once you get these mirrors off, it's just a little inspection cap there, a plug, and 3 bolts. Is it 3 bolts or is it 2 bolts? I can't remember. I thought it was 3, maybe it's 2. Unless the one I've bought is different. Wrong size, what do you want it, Joe? I wish all cars was that easy. Alright, you can, yeah? Brand new. So many of these only have 2 bolts here. And the one I took off's got 3. Sweet. Let's get a new mirror cover. Right, when I bought the second-hand mirror and the cover for the other side, there was red, but the lacquer was all peeling. Also the left one, 'cause it's got a few red bits on the car. When I phoned Bunce up, see if you could paint and blue for me, he ain't got any paint left. So we just went gloss black, which I think will look alright. The wheels are black and a few other bits, so yeah, we went with gloss black, so we'll pop them on now. I don't know, I think. Right, slowly getting heavy. Couple of bits left. Bumper on. New number plates. Clean it up. And we check it out. So keep watching all the way to the end. We'll take this down some lanes and see how it performs. Right, we've left it overnight. The silver chrome strip, that's dried. And we've got the other little grill in as well. So Danny's just going to give me an hand and he's going to offer the bumper on. See? Screw it all under the arches and underneath, and we'll put the plate on. New set of number plates. Only standard ones, but yeah, just gives a bit of a fresh look, so get on with that. As Nate from DT would say, I'm a detailer. Right, for anyone who may not know, from when I was 15 until I was 21, before I became a mechanic, or started doing mechanics, I used to clean cars for the car sales company. What a graft it is, so feel sorry for all you detailers and cleaners. Right, that's the Abarth all done, all cleaned. The only thing left is a fresh MOT. Before we take it for an MOT, because it's still got MOT, we're going to take it for the drive, see how it drives, get our thoughts on it. But what we'll do now is do a little walk around, show you the overall finish. Obviously we showed you the paintwork, to be fair. So if we start on the front, obviously the bumper was repaired and painted along with the bonnet. If you remember me saying the two top corners of the bonnet was damaged, so he's ended up painting the bonnet as well. A-post. This is the A-post where I put a piece of plate in, so that turned out sweet. New mirror caps in black. Dents was all done by Tim. Window by Carly. New light. And then the next bit of paintwork was the spoiler. They've repaired the spoiler, and you see me repair the damage along this A-post. So that's been painted and lost along that line there, so it's been painted up and over and down this A-post as well where this was damaged. Yes, tidy looking little car, needs clean. Looks really nice. Let's open it up, show you the inside as well, because I've just given it a wet vac as well. It is like brand new, still inside. And it's all been cleaned. Right, so before we take it for a little spin, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, don't cost nothing. So let's get and see what it's made of. Right, we're mounting the little Abarth. Let's see what it's made of. Third gear, pulls well. Obviously running up to the speed limits. Let's drop it back down a little bit so you get a little bit of traffic. It's nippy, it ain't fast, but it's nippy. You know, for a little 1.4 engine. It's alright. Let's see if we can get a bit of an opening. Sounds wicked. Sounds really good. The gear knob's in a nice reachable place for shifting as well. Tune this, you'll have some right fun. Strip it back there. Well guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Another build done, another project done. So it's another one going up for sale. If you're interested, Joe Jones Automotive, outlook.com, drop us an email and get in the comments, let us know what you think. Did I do a good repair? Was it a good buy? I really like it myself. I never thought I'd like this car, to be honest, but yeah, really impressed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one with another rebuild, another hot hatch. See you later.